back again. So today I am not alone. Look here children, who has to come with me?
Hello everyone, my name is Nodi.
Say hello. Hello Nodi. Okay, Nodi, do you like stories?
Yes, teacher.
Have you seen crow, Nodi?
Yes,
What is the color of the crow?
it is in black color.
Very good Nodi, yes. And what is the sound of the crow?
Its sound is cow, cow, cow.
Very good. So Nodi, today I will tell you a story about crow. The crow and an old lady. So while I am telling story, you sit quietly. Listen children. How is sitting? How is sitting Nodi? So you have to sit quietly and listen carefully. After that, I will ask some question. Okay, are you ready for that? Yes. There was a village named Singalarur. It had a big banyan tree which was the residing place for a flock of crows. One day, as usual, early in the morning, every crow left the tree in search of food except one, the Blackie. Blackie was sleeping till the sun rays touched him. Sun rays. What's the time now? Oh my God, it's 8 o'clock. Everyone has gone and now I have to go alone. Blackie flew over the street of the village in search of food. Blackie sat on a branch as he was tired of flying around. I'm hungry. What makes me hungry? Blackie looked around to find out where the smell came from. An old lady was frying vadas which spread the aroma. The size of vada makes his mouth to water. Immediately he felt like eating the vada. So Blackie went down and sat near the woman. A crow is kept in a rest. Blackie slowly went near the vada plate.
Hey, you are here to steal the vada? Let me also tie you.
Bad lady, very dangerous woman. It is possible to get a vada only if she is not here. What to do? An idea flashed in Blackie's mind. Immediately he went to the backyard. Grandma, oh dear grandma.
Oh my grandchildren, I'm coming.
The moment the old lady went to the backyard, Blackie picked up a vada and flew back to his home. Blackie was happy and was about to eat his meal. At the same time, a fox called Cunny was walking towards the street. The moment Cunny saw the vada, it wanted to take it from the crow. Ho ho ho! What luck! I will get the vada from the Blackie. Before that, I should plan. It tricked the Blackie. Hello Blackie, hope that's your name. What people say is true. Black is a beauty. Wow, you have got wonderful, beautiful eyes. Yes, feathers. I don't find words to describe your beauty. Cunny again continued. Blackie, who heard this, felt happy and was proud when he heard these words. Such a beautiful bird definitely should have a beautiful voice. Will you sing a song for me, Blackie? Blackie was totally flattered. Cow, 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 oh, I'm a fool. That's it. The vada fell down and it was in the hands of Kani. Oh, let me clean the sand from the vada before eating it. Kani took the vada and disappeared into the forest. The fool Blackie was disappointed. I should not have believed the words of the fox. Now I should look out the way to get another vada from that old lady. So, children, did you enjoy this story? What we learned from this story? So, stealing is bad habits. कभी भी चोरी नहीं करना है चिल्ड्रन. So don't be a lazy. कभी भी आलसी नहीं होना है. Every day you have to stay healthy and active. Okay. Now it's question time. So children, which bird did you saw in this story? Tell me children. Yes, the crow. How it is sound? Yes, cow, cow. So children, what he stole from the old lady? क्या चुराया था उसने? Tell me. Yes, it's vada. क्या चुराया था उसने? Vada. Now next question children. So children, which animal makes to crow foolish? Tell me. Tell me children. Yes, it's fox. Very good children. So children, now see you soon next session. Okay, bye.